This video, we're going to talk about making pie charts or circle graphs with Google Sheets. So I've put several examples into uh, Google Sheets here just to show you. This first one and the first several have the labels in column A and percentages already calculated for us in column B. This one is think percent of students that have declared certain majors. So I'm just going to insert a chart, and then I'm going to edit the chart, and I'm going to give a range here from A1 to B5 and make this a pie chart like that. So there it is. All right. And it knows that column 1, which is A1 to A5, is one of the labels. It is the label, and the values are B1 to B5. And I don't need to do anything else for that. If I would like to see other options for how I can make it look, I can take the center out of it like that to make a donut chart, or I can have a 3D pie chart, either as a circle or a donut. It'll make it 3D. Once I do that, and it automatically generates the colors for me, so I don't have to worry about any of that. Very nice. If you want to customize the colors for any reason, you can come in here and do that. And there it is for the different colors. So science is blue, social science is red, so on. So if I wanted to make science green, I could make it green, and then I could come to social science and make it gold, and humanities and make it orange, let's say, and business and make that maybe red, and other maybe make that blue. You have a lot of options to go in here if you want to change the colors up. So you'll see the percentages are underneath the labels there. It automatically does that for you. So there's really not a lot to do here. Makes it very easy. Let's go ahead and let's do another one like that. These are physical activities that people regularly engage in. I think different exercise routines and things like that. So let's insert a chart. Again, we want another circle graph, pie chart. Our data range is going to be A1 to B6. And there we go. So it knew that we needed 6 colors this time, so it added this aqua in there on top of the other 5 colors that we've had. Let's go on to the next one. Same type of problem, different numbers, but we're going to insert chart and then make it a circle chart. Here, A1 to B6. So let me make sure that I'm not missing anything. Nope, that's it. Example 13. Again, very similar question. Going to insert the chart. Let's be different, make this one a donut chart, just to be different. A1 to B6 again. There you go. Now, these are different because they don't have the percentages calculated for us, but that doesn't matter. Google will automatically take care of that for us. So when we insert our chart and we give it that we want a pie chart from A1 to B5, let's go and understand the labels there and come up with a chart for us. Again, if we want to change the colors, we can do that. If we want it to be 3D, we can do that. So, and for our last example, we're going to have pizza toppings here as our chart. So data, all right, insert chart, and one more circle graph here, A1 to B5 this time. And there it is. You can see huge percentage of people, almost 50%, have pepperoni as their favorite topping, according to this data. So there's really, again, not a lot to do there unless you want to add chart titles and things like that, which you can do that here. If you want to title this favorite pizza toppings, or we want to call it sample 15, whatever we want to do there. All right. I will see you in the next video because that's it for this one. Have a good day.